Hey, it's H here. Today we are taking a look at technical analysis for Bitcoin. I'll cover wave analysis with Elliott Wave Theory and some more local levels that we're interested in. So let's get going. Overall, we are on the 4-hour time frame using logarithmic scale. So let me present again the options that we have had. On higher time frame, we had the primary 3 up here on the March 2021 highs, and currently would be making the 4th. Other option is that we topped here with the primary 5th at this 69k area of November 2021. Now, having this wave 3 established here, we have quite a few different counts, and some of them are invalidated now as we've got this new low here. So let's go through them. We still have this possibility of this being ABC or WXY. The WXY count looks more convincing to me, as this structure here looks more three-wayish than a five-way structure. We had this triangle count here, and we have hit one invalidation point. So at least this part is not looking too good anymore. Now again, A wave here. On RSI we can see that it is higher than the current possible C wave. So even if we would like to say that this is a WXY count here with double zigzags going on, we are still really close to the invalidation point. Now again, we've made a new low here on 4-hour RSI, and this kind of invalidates the whole idea of triangle. I'm not going to remove this count completely yet, as this is still possible for this to be just the C wave though. So until this gets invalidated here at around 29 or 28k, 28.7k, I'm just going to keep this count still alive here. Next we had some bullish structures. We had this possibility of wave 4 ending here, and then we would have a wave 1. Again, this is not really looking too good. The volume wise, it is not giving too many confidence around that, as the volume is not rising. It is just very stagnant here. The current highs of the volume can be seen on the last summer. But again, this count is still valid, so I'm going to keep it. Invalidation again on the summer lows, same as with triangle counts. We had a couple of different bullish scenarios here, possibly making this 1, 2, a 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and so on. But again, those are invalidated. And both of these are invalidated as we got a new lows, so we can just delete this completely. Same with this one. We had a possible of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as a diagonal, and that is completely invalidated as well, as we got below the wave 2. There's also possibility of a start of possibility of a diagonal starting here. Again, this could be the ABC or WXY at one of these structures here, and could be looking at some kind of diagonal in the future. Really don't know if it is expanding or contracting diagonal yet, but again, just an idea that we might keep here to track. This WXY is the same as I presented on the 1-2. So basically, if we have something topped out here, even the 5th wave, we could be looking at very high or very low readings here for the Y wave. I'm going to show you a couple of different examples on the shorter time frame though in a bit. Other possibilities still exist, saying this could be a W, X and Y, or A, B, C. A could be even here or here. Both of them are possible. When these are going to get invalidated is only at here around 26k area, at which point this B wave structure or the middle connector wave is getting extended to 1.618 of the first move. So this one again pointed from the start to the end of the structure here. So it shows you basically the invalidation point at which I'm not even going to consider this count possible anymore. But yeah, those are the medium time term, yeah, that's English, right? Time frame counts. But let's get into the current one. So again, zooming in a bit, I'm using the perpetual futures chart for this one, as I got all the levels charted here. Let's go to 1 hour. Here's the start of this whole middle point or sideways correction, January 24th, and high here 29th of March. So just Elliott Wave wise, first we have this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into A, then B, and looking for wave C. Now we have taken a nice downward spiral down here. Let me close out the volume for now. We can see they 1 into as a diagonal, 2, and now created possibly the third. We got more than the 1.618 that we are looking for the wave 3, but didn't get to the next target 2.618 at least yet. Now considering this as a possibility, we can see that I could manage a count here that is pretty okay lookish. That gets us to the wave 3. We got a nice divergence here with this last legs here, with these two lows, bullish divergence, and yeah, could be looking for the fourth wave at the moment. Now whether it is done now or it is going to be taking a bit longer, I can't say. Currently it looks like a 3-wave structure up to this high here of the early morning hours, and now I would be expecting some kind of dump, at least a small one, and then again could be pumping a bit higher to the 382 retracement for this third wave, of the third wave size basically. So target would be here at 33,300. I've also drawn out a channel here that has been broken. Let's fix that. But we can see how it is very well respected here, even before it was actually established properly. But we can see some nice confluence here for shorts. Other possibility, let's put this guy here, was this structure where we had a possible ABC, and now would be another ABC or a WXY. I labeled it down here, but it could be already done, but we just don't see a nice divergence. Well, we do see divergence between these lows here, but as I couldn't get them really well placed for the same degree count, I'm not going to say that. We do have divergence between these lows here and these, but again they are not same degrees, so I would be looking for more towards this ABC count here to be the proper one. Let's see some targets before we end this. So where we got down to is, I can actually shut this down for now, the Elliott Wave count. We got to the daily around 29.8k and then established ourselves up at least for some kind of bounce here. I got a few different levels here that needs to be shown on higher time frame though. Alert's going off. We got this downwards range going on from the highs, all-time highs 69k to these highs of 28th of March and to the lows of January 24th. We can see some kind of nice range here, or channel at least. There's not too much confluence. Nice one. Not too much confluence around this midpoint, there is a few points that we can establish as some kind of confluence for this one, this last bounce here. But again, there is always going to be confluence around these channels, but wherever you're going to be drawing them. These are definitely some levels downwards and upwards that I'm going to be looking for. Just for the last leg here, if we are actually going to pump for some reason higher up right now, golden pocket here with a daily with a naked point of control, definitely going to be a massive resistance around 40k, and as it is a round number, there is probably going to be shorts there as well, just waiting. Others is around this tapped weekly around 36.2k. There's also a naked session point of control and naked point of control with a 38.2 retracement from the highs of this move. What else? Well, below again this massive support that we haven't tapped properly, at least into. We tapped the daily established from the July lows, but there's still a possibility we can get lower here, and I'm expecting at least one more low here for the fifth wave that I showed you before for the Elliott Wave count. After that, there is just small levels. Basically, let's check out the going here actually. Let me close this down so we can actually see some. Not all of those. This one, okay. So basically where we got at least some volume is this area here, and we can see that after we are going to drop this 30k level, there's very little until here around 12k. Sure, there is some weeklies and some volume nodes here that hopefully are going to catch them or catch us if we are going to be falling down. Point of control with the weeklies, few weeklies down here at 9k. I don't see us going there, but it is definitely possible. We can always prepare for the worst scenario we can see or even think possible, and we should. Above us again, that's 40k area, and then the range point or value area high around 43.4k as well. Going to be some nice resistance. But again, let me label a couple of different points of interest, at least to me. Volume, just by volume node, and we got a couple of dailies here, weeklies. Not much in here though. All of these have been tapped as we came up, but more volume here. I guess I can just add this here. But yeah, I think that's all I want to share on Bitcoin. Let me know if you have another account with Elliott Wave, or if you have some other coin you would like me to analyze next. Let me know down in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and hopefully see you soon. Bye bye.